You know that moment when you see something absolutely breathtaking, a golden sunset, a mountain peak, or maybe your dog pulling off an Olympic-level jump at the park, and you wish you had the perfect way to capture it. Well, the right drone makes that happen effortlessly. And in 2025, drone technology has reached new heights, literally. From 4K and 6K, Ultra HD cameras to first-person view FPV flying that makes you feel like you're soaring through the sky yourself. Drones are better than ever. But with so many options, which one should you actually buy? To save you the headache, we've narrowed it down to the 5 best drones of 2025, each one standing out for different reasons. Whether you end number 39, into photography, FPV racing, or just want a high-quality, easy-to-fly drone. Let's dive in. Number 1. DJI Mini 4 Pro. Best overall drone, perfect balance of features and price. Finally, the best all-around drone of 2025 is the DJI Mini 4 Pro. It's lightweight, powerful, and packed with advanced features, making it the best choice for most people. Why it's number 1, 4K HDR camera with vertical video mode. Perfect for capturing stunning cinematic footage and social media-ready content. No cropping needed. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Fly with confidence, even in tight spaces or near trees and buildings. 249 grams weight. FAA registration free. No red tape, just fly. Up to 34 minutes of flight time, extendable with extra batteries. 65,000 feet transmission range, the longest range of any consumer drone in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, the Mini 4 Pro offers the best combination of power, portability, and ease of use, making it the one drone to buy this year. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. Best premium drone, the ultimate flagship for those who want the absolute best of the best. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the gold standard for professional-level drones. What makes it worth the premium price? Hasselblad camera with 20MP photos and 4K HDR video. This sensor outperforms anything in its class, capturing stunning detail and accurate colors even in dynamic lighting conditions. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing. 8 advanced sensors detect and avoid obstacles in all directions, making it incredibly safe and easy to fly. Up to 43 minutes of flight time per battery, way longer than most competitors, which average around 25 to 30 minutes. 50,000 feet transmission range. You can send this drone incredibly far while maintaining a solid connection. DJI RC controller. With built-in screen, no need to attach your phone, it's ready to fly out of the box. If you're a serious aerial filmmaker or content creator, the Mavic 3 Pro is the best high-end drone available in 2025. Number 3. Ruko F11 Pro 2. Best for 6K Ultra HD video and night mode. If top-tier image quality is your number 1 priority, then Ruko F11 Pro 2 is a game-changer. With its 6K camera, this drone delivers some of the sharpest visuals you can get in this price range. Why it's a must-have for filmmakers and photographers. 6K Sony lens with HDR imaging. Most consumer drones still top out at 4K, but the F11 Pro 2 takes it up a notch. Expect stunningly rich colors, high contrast, and incredible detail. 3-axis brushless gimbal ensures rock-steady footage, even in windy conditions. Night mode, shooting in low light, no problem. This drone excels at capturing night cityscapes, bonfires, or even stunning astrophotography shots. 70-minute total flight time with 2 batteries. This is one of the longest battery lives available for consumer drones. 10,000 FT transmission range. Get crystal clear video feed even from far distances. Smart GPS features includes follow me mode, waypoint planning, and intelligent return to home, making it a breeze to operate. If filming in Ultra HD resolution is your goal, this is the drone for you. Number 4. DJI Avata 2. Best FPV drone. First-person view experience. If you want an adrenaline rush and a completely immersive flying experience, then the DJI Avata 2 is the drone for you. This is not your average drone. This is FPV first-person view flying, and it feels like you're actually inside the drone. What makes it stand out? DJI FPV goggles. These high-resolution goggles put you right in the cockpit, letting you see exactly what the drone sees. No lag, no choppiness, just smooth real-time flight. 4K 60 FPS video with a 155-degree super wide field of view. The extra wide perspective makes for incredibly dynamic, fast-paced footage, perfect for cinematic shots or action sequences. Motion controller. Instead of using traditional joysticks, you can control the drone just by moving your hand. It's super intuitive and easy to pick up, even for beginners. Propeller guards and obstacle avoidance. Built-in safety features protect the drone from crashes, making FPV flying much less intimidating for newcomers. Fly More combo equal to more flight time. If you grab the Fly More combo, you get 3 batteries for extended flights, ensuring plenty of airtime to perfect your shots. For those looking to take their drone experience to the next level, Avata 2 is hands down the best FPV drone in 2025. Number 5. Stone HS900 Best Budget Photography Drone. We're kicking things off with the Stone HS900, a budget-friendly drone that punches way above its weight when it comes to camera quality. If UN number 39, looking for professional-looking aerial shots without breaking the bank, this one and number 39's a solid pick. Why it's worth considering. 4K Sony CMOS sensor. This is essentially a high-end smartphone camera that can fly, delivering crisp 48MP photos. That's 4 times the detail you'd get from most budget drones, which often max out at 12MP. 3-axis gimbal stabilization. If you and number 39 ever seen shaky drone footage, you know how distracting it can be. This built-in gimbal ensures smooth cinematic shots, even in windy conditions. GPS-assisted flight and auto return. If the drone loses connection or runs low on battery, it automatically returns home so you don't have to worry about losing it. 249 grams weight. No FAA registration required. You get high performance without the hassle of extra paperwork. Fast-charging battery reaches full charge in under an hour and offers a 20,000 FT flight range. For beginners and budget-conscious photographers, the HS900 delivers impressive image quality, smart features, and ease of use without the premium price tag. And that's it, the top 5 drones of 2025. Whether you want a budget photography drone, a pro-level camera rig, or the ultimate FPV experience, there's a perfect drone for you. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. And if you find this video informative, make sure you hit the like button. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of these kinds of videos. Thanks for watching.